One more video. That's the lie you tell yourself right before 45 minutes disappear. You close the app wondering where the time went, even though you never meant to stay that long. The problem isn't social media. Your brain loves easy rewards. Every swipe gives you something new without asking much in return. Your brain learns that scrolling is the fastest way to feel entertained, curious, or distracted. The more you repeat it, the more automatic it becomes. That doesn't mean you have to stop looking for rewards. You just need better ones. The best alternatives don't fight your brain, they replace easy rewards with meaningful ones. Here are 5 healthier rewards that leave you better than they found you. Study something you're genuinely curious about. Stop treating learning like homework. Look up a hobby, learn how something works. Get better at a skill you actually care about. Your brain naturally enjoys discovering something new. The difference is that learning gives your curiosity a direction instead of letting an algorithm decide it for you. It takes the same amount of time, but one leaves you with new knowledge, while the other leaves you wondering where the time went. Spend some time alone. We often wait until someone else is free before we do what we want. So we stay home, open another app, and lose another hour. But time alone gives your mind something scrolling never does: space. Go for a walk, eat at a cafe, watch a movie by yourself. Without constant input, your own thoughts finally have room to surface. The more comfortable you become with your own company, the less you'll depend on endless distractions to fill the silence. Work on something you've been putting off. A goal, a project, anything you've been meaning to start. Scrolling gives you the feeling that something is happening. Progress comes from making something happen. Start with 10 minutes. You don't need to finish. You only need to begin. Every small step proves you're moving forward. Finishing something you built will always be more satisfying than finishing another feed. Write something. It doesn't have to be good. Write your thoughts, a story, an idea, even a page no one else will ever read. Scrolling fills your mind with other people's thoughts. Writing forces you to organize them. It gives your attention a chance to slow down just enough to notice what you're actually thinking instead of constantly reacting to what's next. A few minutes of writing can leave your mind clearer than an hour of scrolling ever will. Create something. It doesn't have to be perfect. Build with Legos, sketch an idea, play an instrument, cook a new recipe, make anything. Scrolling disappears the moment you stop. Creating leaves you with evidence that your time became something real. That's why making something feels different. Your attention isn't just being used, it's producing something that didn't exist before. Your brain will always look for a reward. Creating gives you one that lasts long after the moment is over. The next time you tell yourself, just one more video, remember what you're really choosing. Every swipe teaches your brain what to expect. The more you repeat a habit, the more natural it becomes. Your brain will always look for rewards. The question is whether those rewards leave you with something or leave you wanting more. Whatever you repeatedly reward becomes the life you naturally return to. Subscribe for more ideas that help you think better.